Better focus, fewer emotional outbursts, and calmer days. That's the promise behind steady mood drops. But can a liquid supplement really regulate your mood, or is it just marketing hype? So, steady mood drops are marketed as a liquid supplement designed to support emotional regulation, focus, and calmer behavior. The formula reportedly includes ingredients like saffron extract, magnesium L-threonate, lion's mane, bacopa, and L-theanine, which are often used in brain support supplements. There are a few reasons why people are interested. Ingredients like saffron and L-theanine have been studied for supporting mood balance and reducing stress responses. Some herbal compounds like bacopa and lion's mane are linked to cognitive support and focus. Liquid supplements may absorb faster than pills, which is why they're often marketed as quicker acting. But there are also important limitations. Most evidence relates to individual ingredients, not the specific product itself. Supplements are not regulated as strictly as medications, so effectiveness can vary. Claims like dramatic mood regulation in a few days are often based on testimonials rather than strong clinical trials. So, do steady mood draws regulate your mood? Might provide mild support thanks to their ingredients, but there's no strong proof the product itself dramatically changes mood or behavior. The bottom line, steady mood drops are not necessarily fake, but they are best viewed as a general wellness supplement rather than a proven mood regulating treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.